Setting goals is not an easy nor a pleasant task to do, yet it's what gives us a destination to go to in our life. Everyone has a goal, whether he knows it or not. Even if you're stumbling everywhere, hoping you'll find your goal. This is your goal in a messy way, and you're acting towards it. In this video, I'm going to coach you in finding your goals in a simple, powerful, and interactive way. By the end of this session, I guarantee you'll have clarity on your goals, what was achieved already, and what's left to do. And this is only if you actively engaged with the questions. If you're new here, this is WellBeing Toolkit, providing you with all the tools you need to integrate and upgrade your life. And today, our tool is coaching. This is another coaching video in the Coach Me Toolkit. And if you're interested in having more of those or the tools I share in this channel, consider subscribing. Our coaching rule is simple. Engage with the questions, either by pausing the video and writing questions and your answers, you can reflect on them later, or by answering out loud. And always remember that this is a one-way conversation. And if we're doing this live, the questions or their sequence may change. So play along with this for now. And if you still need me, I'm one email away. Ready? Let's go. What if you got it finished this week would make you jump for joy? What will make you sing of happiness if you got it done today? What if you worked on right now would really make you smile? Now, draw a table with those things you came up with in one column and another column for category, and label each thing you came up with. Are those things in the same category or different? If they are the same, it's a sign that this is really taking a big part of you mentally. In another way, this is important for you to act on. And now, you know what you need to do for that thing now, today, and this week. If they are different, then complete the missing cells. Now you have more than one area to work on, and you have the relevant actions for now, today, and this week. Moving on. What would make you disappointed if you didn't work on this week? What would make you disappointed if you didn't work on today? What would make you disappointed if you didn't work on now? These are different questions for the same purpose as the first three ones, to have clarity on your goals. The advantage here is that you may come up with different things than the ones you came up with from the first three questions. So, do the same exercise as the above one. If all in the same category, then this is a way to tell you it's urgent. If not, fill in the blanks, and again, you have an idea on what to work on not to be disappointed. When you finish that exercise, you then compare both end results. If you found similar actions or desires in both happy you did and disappointed you didn't, then this is a higher level of urgency. This is a bigger sign to you that this task written in both happy you did and disappointed you didn't is a high priority for you. Play with that for a while and you'll be surprised. Moving on. What motivates you? You can make a list here. Can we incorporate those when achieving your goals? Like, if you wrote listening to music, can we use that when drafting the script maybe? Or finishing your drawing, etc.? If you wrote buying thing for yourself, can we use that like a small motivation when goals are done? You get the idea. So here, come up with as many things as possible that motivates you. And then think of which goal or goals you can use them in. Next one. What have you done already towards your goals? If you've already took steps towards that goal, then this question is to provide awareness to the things you already done. Sometimes we are in a hurry that we don't give ourselves credit for the things we accomplished towards our goals. So answering that question will elevate your spirit when seeing what was done. The final one, what is missing from finishing those goals? This one is for brainstorming ideas and actions left to do to complete that goal. So now you have identified goals you can work on now, today, and this week. You identified similarity, which means higher priority. You identified a couple of motivation techniques you can use when working on your goals. And you are aware of what was completed already and what's left to do. In another way, now you see the destination, the path, and your location in it. If you like this video and eager to know and have more tools to use to upgrade your life, then click the subscribe button now. You can also share it with your friends to show them you care. Till we meet again, apply, achieve, integrate, and upgrade your life.